Hello Amazon.com, it's me, Beau. I am coming to you with probably my favorite thing that I have ever purchased on Amazon.com. That's because these little guys have been influential in saving us from thousands of dollars worth of repairs. Now granted, if you have homeowner's insurance, they'll replace your floor if you have a leak from I don't know, behind your fridge, you know, the ice maker, which is infamous for leaking. But stay ahead of that. These are the best bang for your buck, as I was searching all throughout Amazon, and I'm actually going to show you how these work. Now, first of all, you'll notice that there's a long thread, cable rather, going all the way to the sensor. The cable itself is, I'd say, maybe about 4 feet in length. You can keep it bundled up if you'd like. This is what the back looks like, sort of a little suction cup, which if you'd like to stick it on some glass, I guess you can. I personally would not, because I would say a suction cup may only last maybe a month. Eventually they will fail. So if you do want to fix it more permanently, they do have small little screw holes right here, and they come with 2 little screws, tiny little screws. So if you take the back off, it's kind of awkward to take the back off, but you basically have to push this tab down and this tab down and peel it off. And then once the back is screwed up against, I don't know, a cabinet or something like that, then you can clip the remaining portion onto that section that you screwed onto. But anyway, this is not actually a actual instructional video. If you want to look at the instructional manual, I guess you can. Really, here's how I do it. So I don't even use the little sticky pads. So you'll notice that this little plastic thing and the sensor right there, one on the north side, one on the south side, and if those 2 connections up there and right there are connected via water, it completes the circuit, and you'll see that there are 2 little cables going to this, and it goes all the way to your actual alarm. And so we're gonna actually put this down because it's extremely loud, and try to cover it as best as possible. And I have some sample water right over here. I'd say that this is less than a 1/16 of an inch. It's barely on there. But we are going to go ahead and place the sensor on there on 3. 1, 2, 3. How cool is that? And if I were to actually unearth this thing, it is ridiculously loud. Let's go ahead and try to dry this off. Ah, stop. Yeah. Wow, that's loud. Yeah, that will wake you up in the morning, which is actually what happened to us. We put one of these underneath our hot water heater, and even though it's a brand spanking new hot water heater, it leaked, and this siren woke us up in the middle of the night. I'd actually forgotten that I had put this underneath the hot water heater. Oh, sounds like Penny and Lucy are fighting. I'd better go break up a fight. Toddlers. 5 out of 5 stars. My name is Beau. I look forward to testing and demonstrating more fun things here on Amazon.com. Lucy, Penny, what are you guys doing?